Time for some Tuesday birthdays, and we've got a belated birthday going out to Gracie Zook in Columbus, who's turning 12. And Gracie is the granddaughter of our business manager, Rhonda Zook. So very happy belated birthday to you, Gracie.
All right, we got a little correction this morning. This is Aubrey Humble, who is 14 years old now in Girard. We're sorry, I had your wrong last name the other day.
We've also got Abby Schmidt celebrating number 18 in Pittsburgh, and this comes with love from Aunt Angie and the family. Happy birthday, Abby.
All right, in Chanute, Kansas, the Walker twins are turning 22 years old. First up, Devin Walker. Oh no, that's Hunter. And then Devin. Sorry about that. Hunter and Devin, both 22 in Chanute.
We've got James Greenwood celebrating number 31 over in Girard. Happy birthday, James.
Wade Nadine celebrating a belated birthday with wishes from Davis Real Estate in Oswego, Kansas. Wade is 36 years old.
And Jennifer Dagonia celebrating birthday number 38 in Crestline. This is a belated birthday for Jennifer. Happy birthday to you.
All right, we're hopping on the belated train here. Kylie Fagan recently turned the big 4-0. We can't forget that. Kylie is in Jasper, Missouri.
And Natasha Shell celebrating birthday number 44 in Stark City, Missouri. Nice throwback photo there. It says happy birthday from happy birthday, Mom, with love from your favorite child, Madison.
That is the most excited look I've seen on a little kid. I love that. Yes, I love it. Steve Culp turning 45 years old this year. Steve is celebrating in Galesburg, Kansas. Happy birthday.
We've got Shelly Young turning number 49 in Parsons, celebrating in style. Happy birthday, Shelly.
I like that. Fawn Zappa celebrating birthday number 65. Belated birthday wish going out to you in Loma Linda.
And a belated birthday wish going out to Bob Powell, who's turning 84 in the Osho. Bob, a very happy birthday to you.
Looks like he found Powell Point. I love it. And this is the father of our favorite director. I shouldn't say that. That'll make everyone else jealous, right? Well, he is.
No, we can say that.
We love you, Tim. And this is Tim's father, Dwayne Aronson, who's now celebrating birthday number 76 down in Lowell, Arkansas.
Hey, and you actually get to see Tim.
Yeah.
I've been saying this for the longest time. We're going to put Tim on the TV. That's 10 years ago, but that's Tim. He hasn't really changed much in 10 years. So happy birthday to you, Dwayne. We've also got Christy Cleveland over in Webb City celebrating a birthday. It says happy birthday with love from all of the family.
Janice Kelly is celebrating a birthday. Wishes coming from the family clan as well.
And we've got Donna Lipiglov, the owner of Chicken Annie's, the original, celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday, Donna.
Jackie Stone in Columbus, a resident at Medical Lodges. Happy birthday to you.
We've got Phoenix Wade over in Crestline celebrating a belated 17th birthday. Happy birthday, Phoenix.
And Jeff Johnson, your mama is wishing you a happy birthday.
Well, we want to continue to wish everybody in the 4 states a happy birthday, and Tanya has some magical information on how you can make sure we do that.
2 magical emails. Take your pick. Don't forget the S on either one of them. Birthdays@KOAMTV.com or birthdays@KOAMNewsNow.com. Send your deets to us.
Absolutely. And over at our website, we also have the KOAM Birthday Club. You can sign up for that. You get some great deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMNewsNow.com today and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club.